In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your radiator cap on this Toyota Corolla. Let's get started. Once you've located your radiator cap, make sure that the vehicle is completely cold. The engine has not run in a while. If you open this with the vehicle hot, or at least the coolant warm even, it'll be under pressure and a lot of coolant will come shooting out. That is not good. My vehicle is cold. It's been sitting for a long time. So twist it counterclockwise, and once it feels like it loosens up, that's not the end of it. You have to twist it once more. As you can see, even with the vehicle cold, you may lose some coolant, but regardless, here's the radiator cap. Why would you want to replace it? Well, they do hold pressure. They have gaskets on them, and over time they go bad. So if your radiator cap is leaking and you can tell that you have dried up coolant here, you might have a bad radiator cap and you're going to need to replace it. Take your new radiator cap, line it up. It'll fall into place once it's seated. Turn it clockwise, not one, but 2 clicks. It should line up with this overflow hose. Once you're sure it's secure, clean off any spillage that might have happened, and then turn on the car, let it warm up, and make sure that it stays sealed up and you have no more leaks if you had one before.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.